Cybersecurity has become one of the most critical aspects of modern technology, as the increasing number of online threats and attacks make it necessary to secure personal and corporate data. In 2023, the demand for cybersecurity professionals with the right skills and knowledge will continue to rise. This video will highlight the most in-demand cybersecurity skills that employers will be looking for in the coming year. Number 1 is cloud security. With the rise of cloud computing, securing cloud infrastructure and data has become a top priority for organizations. Cloud security experts who can manage and protect cloud environments and data are in high demand. Number 2 is artificial intelligence and machine learning. The use of AI and ML algorithms in cybersecurity has become increasingly popular, and this trend is set to continue. Organizations need cybersecurity professionals who can design and implement AI-based security systems to detect and prevent cyber attacks. Number 3 is penetration testing. Penetration testing is the process of testing an organization's security systems and infrastructure to identify vulnerabilities. The demand for professionals who can perform these tests has increased, and the trend is expected to continue in 2023. Number 4 is network and infrastructure security. Securing networks and infrastructure is crucial to protecting an organization's data and systems. Network and infrastructure security experts are in high demand to secure and maintain these systems. Number 5 is cryptography. Cryptography is the process of encoding and decoding information to keep it secure. With the increasing use of cryptography in cybersecurity, professionals who have expertise in this area are in high demand. Number 6 is incident response and disaster recovery. Incidents and disasters can have a significant impact on an organization, and the ability to respond quickly and effectively is crucial. Organizations need professionals who can plan, implement, and maintain incident response and disaster recovery plans to minimize the impact of these events. Number 7 is cybersecurity compliance. Cybersecurity compliance is the process of ensuring that an organization meets industry and regulatory standards for data protection. Compliance experts who can help organizations meet these standards are in high demand. In conclusion, the demand for cybersecurity skills in 2023 will continue to rise, and the skills mentioned above will be in high demand. Organizations need professionals who can secure their systems, data, and infrastructure to protect against cyber threats. Cybersecurity professionals who possess these in-demand skills will have a competitive advantage in the job market. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe for more videos.